Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy M31s. So for that we will have two ways for. Let me show you the first one, and that works with the buttons, with the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons for the same time just for short and you will have a screenshot. And after you have the opportunity to edit the picture or to share it directly. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you will have a screenshot. If I tap now here on the editing symbol, I've now the opportunity to share a part maybe here of the screen and also to draw something inside and so on. And yeah, and then I can share this edited part or save it directly to the gallery. Okay, there's a second way, as I said, for taking a screenshot by using the edge of your palm. If you swipe it across the screen, you will have a screenshot as well. So one more time, the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen, and you have a screenshot as well. May this requires a bit training for the first twice, but it's absolutely okay. If it doesn't work, so it should work because it's part of the default setting, but in case if it doesn't work, you can set it up. So just scroll down here, then go here on the symbol for the settings, then scroll down to the point advanced features. And then here at motion and gestures, you will have here palm swipe to capture, and that point here has to be enabled like at me now. And you will see also an instruction again. And where to find the screenshots after, of course, here at the gallery. And as you can see, I had already some twice. And I would recommend you to go here on the albums because the screenshots have here their own folder just for screenshots. Yo. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.